Today we are going to learn the new concept in a chapter circle is a touching circles. आज आपण सर्कल चॅप्टर मधील नवीन भाग स्पर्श वर्तुळे याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. First, you have to learn or understand the touching circles. First activities. Take a three collinear points x, y, z in a plane. This is a plane. In this plane, the point x, y, z are three collinear points. Draw a circle with center x and radius xy. This is the center x. Take radius xy to draw a circle. This is a circle with center x and radius xy. Draw another circle with center z and radius yz. Here, this is a center z. Take radius yz and to draw a circle. These two circles with center x and z. We have to note that the both circles intersect each other at a point y. The circle with center x and circle with center z intersect the point y. This is a single point y. To draw a line through the point y, this line L is a draw passing to the point y. Therefore, this line L is a perpendicular to the segment xz. Therefore, the line is a common line of both circles. Means this line L is a common line or common tangent of both circles. Therefore, such two circles are said to be externally touching circle. हे दोन्ही वर्तुळे एकमेकांना बाह्य भागामध्ये स्पर्श करतात. बाहेरून circle x with center and circle with center z are externally touching circle. x केंद्र असलेले वर्तुळ आणि z केंद्र असलेले वर्तुळ एकमेकांना बाह्य भागातून स्पर्श करतात, म्हणून या प्रकारच्या वर्तुळांना बाह्य स्पर्शी वर्तुळे असे म्हणतात. These two circles are said to be externally touching circle. If two circles in the same plane intersect externally with a line in the plane in only one point, they are said to be externally touching circle. In figure, two circles with center x and z touching externally and line L is a common line. It is said to be common tangent. Line L is a common tangent of externally touching circle. Write down. Second activity for touching circles. Take a three collinear point y, x, z. X lie between y and z. This is a plane. In this plane, take three collinear point y, x, and z. To draw a circle with center z and radius yz. This is a circle with center z, radius is a yz. To draw another circle with center x and radius yx, this. Therefore, from this figure, you note that the both circle intersect both circle with center x and z intersect at a single point y, this point y. Therefore, draw a line passing through the intersect point y and perpendicular to segment yz. This is a line, is a perpendicular to yz. Therefore, this line is a common of both circle with center x and z. Therefore, this common line is the common tangent of both circle. Those circle intersect internally to each other. It is said to be internally touching circle. वर्तुळ केंद्र x आणि z असणारी वर्तुळे, वर्तुळ केंद्र x असणारे वर्तुळ केंद्र z ला अंतर्भागात बिंदू y मध्ये स्पर्श करते, म्हणून याला आंतरस्पर्शीय वर्तुळे असे म्हणतात. डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट: if two circles in the same plane intersect internally with a line in the plane in only one point, they are said to be internally touching circle. In a figure, two circles with center x and z touching internally and line L is the common line. Therefore, line L is said to be common tangent of touching internally circle. This is the second activity for the touching circles. Externally touching circle. Some important note for related to touching circle. The externally touching circle. This is the figure to show two circles intersect externally to each other. In this circle, in this figure, two circles with center x and z touching internally and line L is the common tangent. Therefore, distance between their center is equal to sum of their radii. X is the center of circle, Z is the center of circle. To find distance between center of two circle is equal to sum of the radii, means xy plus yz, sum of their radii. जर दोन वर्तुळे बाह्यस्पर्शी असतील तर त्यांच्या केंद्रामधील अंतर काढायचं असेल तर त्या दोन वर्तुळांच्या त्रिज्यांची बेरीज करतात. Here xy is the radius of circle with center x, yz is the radius of circle with center z. Therefore, the distance between from x to z, xz is equal to xy plus yz. This is the important point for external touching circle. Distance between their center is equal to sum of their radii. बाह्यस्पर्शी वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रातील अंतर त्या दोन वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्येच्या बेरजे एवढे असते. Similarly, internally touching circle. This is the figure to show two circles intersect internally to each other. In this figure, circle with center x and z touching internally and line L, this line L is the common tangent. Therefore, to find distance between center of these two circles internally touching each other, distance between their center is equal to difference of their radii. आंतरस्पर्शी वर्तुळाच्या दोन केंद्रामधील अंतर म्हणजे त्या दोन वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्येमधील फरक होय. In this figure, yz is the radius of circle with center z and yx is the radius of circle with center x. To find distance between their center is a xz. Xz is equal to yz minus xy. The greater radius minus smaller radius of internally touching circle. xz इज इक्वल टू yz मायनस xy. जर दोन वर्तुळे अंतःस्पर्शी असतील तर त्या दोन वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रातील अंतर म्हणजे त्या दोन वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्येमधील फरक होय. Next theorem is the important theorem of touching circle. Theorem of touching circle. Theorem is, if two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining their center. जर दोन वर्तुळे स्पर्श वर्तुळे असतील तर स्पर्शबिंदूतून जाणारी रेषा त्या वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रातून जाणाऱ्या रेषेवर असते. This figure is externally touching circle figure and this figure is a internally touching circle figure. Given for this theorem, if two circles touch each other, this is the given, means C is the point of the two circle with centers A and B. This line L is the common tangent in a figure. Point C is the point of touching circle point or point of contact of externally and internally circle with center A and B. To prove point C, this point C lies on line AB. Their point of contact lies on the joining of their center. Means point C lie on line AB or line L passing through the point C and lies on the line AB. Means AB is the line passing through the center of two circles. In this figure, second figure also, point C is the touching point of internally touching circle with center A and B. The same point C lies on passing through the center of circle A and B. Proof of this theorem, line L is the common tangent passing through point C of two touching circle. सिद्ध करताना रेषा L ही दोन स्पर्श वर्तुळांची सामायिक स्पर्शिका आहे आणि ती बिंदू C मधून जाते. बाय युजिंग थेरम ऑफ टँजेंट रेडियस, स्पर्शिका त्रिज्या या प्रमेयाचा उपयोग करून, tangent radius theorem is, the tangent is a perpendicular to the radius at point of contact. वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका स्पर्शबिंदूतून काढलेल्या त्रिज्येला लंब असते. Therefore, line L is a perpendicular to segment AC and line L is also perpendicular to segment BC. Line L is the common tangent. Tangent is a perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Therefore, line L is a perpendicular to AC. Similarly, line L is a perpendicular to BC. In the second figure is the same. Line L is a common tangent. C is a point of contact. Line L is a perpendicular to BC and also line L is a perpendicular to AB. Similarly, segment AC is a perpendicular to line L and also segment BC is a perpendicular to line L. Vice versa. रेषा L सेगमेंट AC ला लंब असेल तर AC हा सुद्धा काय रेषा L ला लंब असतो. Therefore, through point C only one line perpendicular to the line L can be drawn. बिंदू C मधून रेषा AB ला रेषा L ही एकमेव रेषा लंब आहे आणि म्हणून पॉइंट C, A and B are collinear point. आणि म्हणून हे काय तर ACB एक रेषीय बिंदू आहेत. मीन्स पॉइंट C lie on the line AB. आणि म्हणून बिंदू C हा रेषा AB वर आहे. राईट डाऊन. Write down for homework. With the help of figure, prove that theorem of the best of luck. यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सोमनाथ गीते मॅथ एक्सपर्ट या चॅनलवरील यूट्यूब व्हिडिओ पहा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वान यशस्वी हाताने सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.